This is the Craftsman 48-inch cut semi-commercial machine. Two blade, like I said, 48-inch cut. It's the YT 3000. It's semi-commercial. It almost zero turns. You can see by watching the video how I can turn right around in a circle. Works awesome. It's got a 21 horse Briggs & Stratton Platinum motor. Like I said, I've had this about 4 years. Only thing I've done is replace a valve cover gasket and a gas filter, stuff like that. But she mows really fast for this kind of a mower. I'm impressed. So it would be considered a semi. It was the first one that Craftsman considered semi commercial, and that's what they advertised it and sold it as. But hydrostatic drive, and mow, like I said, she mows really fast for being a regular machine. So I would recommend this for any home or light commercial. You know, I wouldn't run it 8 hours a day every day, but I've been mowing for 4 years on it. Like I said, keep the oil change, take care of it. It's been an awesome machine. So I just wanted to show you a little video how fast it cuts and then a few features about it. So that's it. Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing. I'm out.